Hi everyone, so I will be discussing Leetcode 969 problem pancake sorting. So in this problem we are given an input integer array and we have to sort the array by performing a series of pancake flips. So in one pancake flip we can basically choose an integer k and we can basically choose the subarray from 0 to k minus 1th index, and we can basically reverse that subarray. So for example, um, here if array is 3214, then if we in a pancake flip, if we choose k equals to 3, then basically we choose this subarray and we flip it. So it would become 1, 2, 3, and the rest of the part would be same. So it would be, so if k is 3, we would choose from starting element till the kth element and we would flip the array. So now this is sorted because all the elements are in increasing order. So, mm, so in this example, in example 1, we are given input integer array 3241. So when array is 3241, uh, this problem requires basic a basic observation that we have to just find the last element and sort that element in the correct position. So let's say here 4 is the largest element, so what we would do is we can only do this pancake flip thing. So we would want to bring this 4 to the first location so that we can sort, we can again apply pancake flip to put uh, to again reverse that whole subarray. So then that 4 would basically come in the last place. So for example, if we apply pancake flip in this subarray, it would become 4, 2, 3, and then 1. Now 4 is at the first position, but we want it at the last position. So what we would do, we would choose this total uh, subarray and we would flip it. So it would become 1, 3, 2, 4. Now 4 is in its correct position. Now we would see which is the next element that we have to sort. So which is 3. So we would basically choose this subarray and flip it. So it would become 3, 1, 2, 4, and now 3 is at first location. So we would choose this. Now 3 has to come here. So we would choose this subarray and flip it. So it would become 2, 1, 3, 4. Now um, now again 2 is at this location. Now here 2 is already at first location, and in other cases we were bringing, for example here we basically flipped this subarray to get 4 at the first position, but here 2 is already at the first position, so we would just simply choose this subarray and flip it. So it would become 1, 2, 3. Now the array is sorted. So now this is exactly what I have done in this code also. So initially find is array dot length, which means that find is equal to this max element, which is 4 in this case. So initially max element is 4. Now until and unless this find becomes equals to 1, we would run this while loop. So here what I am doing is basically I am initializing find index variable. So I would basically be looking for this 4 in the original array. So 4 is at the third location. So but for 0 indexing it would be at 2th location, second index. So this is what would be stored in this find index. Now there are two conditions. If find index is already in its correct place, so let's say if the array would have been 3 2 1 4, 4 is at already is at correct location, then we would not require any flip. So this one is this case, and the second case is the if 4 is already at first location. Let's say if it would have been 4 3 2 3 1, then 4 is already at first location, which means that we just want to sort this reverse this complete subarray. So which would obviously give which would obviously put this 4 into the last position, which would be the correct location. And the third case is when none of these above cases are true, and in which case um, we would first want to bring this 4 to first location, which I have explained here, and then we would want to completely reverse this whole subarray for this 4 to get this 4 at the correct location. So this is what I have explained here. So now the time complexity of this problem would basically be, since I am basically what I am doing is in this loop I am basically looping till n elements, and inside this loop also I am looping n times only, so complexity would be of n square, and where n is basically the length of the array. And space complexity would be um, O of n, because we require not even, yeah, it would be O of n because we require an answer array, but which is also something which shouldn't be there, because we actually need it. But if um, the answer would have been required in some other case, basically printing or something, then it would have been of one only. So if I try to submit this code, um, it is getting accepted.